In this video, we are going to see a problem on probability. Probability, Carnival problem. So in this problem, a school organized a spinner game as part of a Christmas Carnival fundraiser. The rule of the game is making purple. In this game, there will be two spinners like these. Each spinner has three colors. First spinner has red, green, yellow. Second spinner has red, blue, green. The rule of the game is making purple. So we get purple color if we had red from the first spinner and blue from the second spinner. One such outcome is written as RB. RB is making purple. The one who makes this possible, that is getting first spinner red and the second spinner blue, is declared as winner. So let us see the first subdivision of the problem. So in this, they asked us to list all possible outcomes of the game. So it is similar to that of tossing a coin twice or tossing two coins at the same time. So when we toss one coin at a time, the number of possible outcomes is 2. So when we toss two coins at a time, the number of possible outcomes is 2 squared. So number of coins becomes the power. So similarly here, each spin has 3 outcomes. So since there are 2 spins, so 3 square, the total number of possible outcomes is number of outcomes equal to 9. So we will list out all possible outcomes as sample space, yes, which is first spin gives red, the second spin also gives red, first spin red, second spin blue, first spin red, second spin green. Similarly, for the first spin green, second spin red, first spin green, second spin blue, first spin green, second spin green. Similarly, for yellow, we get red, for yellow, we get blue, and for yellow, we get blue. So these are the possible 9 outcomes. So let us see the second subdivision of the problem. So here, for each win, a player receives ₹10, and for each loss, the player has to pay ₹5 to the school. So the player is declared win when he or she gets the outcome RB. So when he or she gets the outcome red blue, they will be making purple. So they will be declared as win. If he or she wins, the school will award them ₹10. But if they lose, that is when they get apart from RB, the other possible 8 outcomes. Any out of the 8 outcomes, if they get, they will be declared lose and they has to pay ₹5 to the school. Here the school will give ₹10 when they win. Here they have to pay, the students have to pay, the player has to pay ₹5 to the school. So, and they asked in the question that if 99 participants play the game, calculate the total amount of money collected by the school. So this is a fundraising event. So calculate the total amount collected by the school. So to calculate that, we must find probability of winning. So here, probability of winning is only one outcome, which is RB out of 9. So probability of winning the game is 1 by 9. And in the 99 participants, who all win? Number of players win. This is a probability. So we are probably saying the number of players win the game out of 99 participants is 99 into 1 by 9, which is 11. So 11 people out of 99 probably can win the game. So number of players lose is number of players who loses is 99 minus 1, which has to be 88. So now we have to calculate the amount of money collected by the school. So money collected by the school is, so here, as you can see, totally there are 99 players, out of which 11 players win and 88 loses. So 88 players have to pay for the school. Okay. And for the 11 players, the school has to pay. So the 88 players will pay rupees 5 to the school, and the 11 players will get rupees 10 from the school. So when we multiply it, we get 440 here and 110 here. So the amount of the money collected by the school will be 330 rupees. And let us see the next subdivision of the problem, that is, if the reward and penalty are both fixed at rupees 5 for both winning and losing, how much money the school will collect? Nothing. There is nothing, no changes here except for the money which is paid by the school to the student. That is, if they win, they get rupees 5. And if they lose, they have to pay rupees 5. So the same probability only. So when we said 11 can win, probably, and 88 lose. So the money collected by the school will be 88 into 5 minus 11 into 5. That's it. So when we subtract, we get 440 minus 55, which is nothing but 385. We are going to get yes, 385. Let's see the last subdivision of the problem, that is, find the probability of making purple, that is getting red on one spinner and blue on the other. We all know the total number of possible outcomes is here is totally 9, and out of which the winning outcome is red blue, which is only 1. So the probability of making purple here is 1 by 9. That is, the probability of winning the game is same as probability of making purple, which is 1 by 9. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Easy Math.